How to redeem Xbox Game Pass code on PC. Hey everybody, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily do that. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is access your Microsoft Store first. Open up your PC, go to the search bar and simply search for Store, and go ahead and open Microsoft Store. Once you open this up, you have different options here. So on the left hand side of your screen, you'll see your navigation bar with your gaming category, with your apps, and your home screen. Down below you have an option to see what's new. Then you have downloads and then your library. So it contains all of the app that you've downloaded from the store. Now what you want to do is go ahead and simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Then you'll find different options. Now right here you'll get this option called redeem code or gift cards. So if you tap on it, you will get an option to enter the code right here. So simply enter the code that you want, and all you have to do here is just enter the Game Pass code for your Xbox. So with the Microsoft product, your gift card, you're going to get access to a wide selection of latest apps, games, premium devices, and more. And to redeem your Microsoft Xbox gift card, you can enter the 25 character code in the space right here. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.